Hello, parade watchers, and welcome to a new history video. Today we'll be talking about Woody Woodpecker, and we're going to talk about him as a giant balloon in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Woody Woodpecker made his parade debut in 1982, with Walter Lantz Productions as his sponsor. The design of him is just generic, but unfortunately on his debut that year, his head was punctured. Well, not that much, well, by branches.
The little man on the prairie, big man on the prairie now, I should say, in the little house on the prairie, marching along with him, Macy, Mouse, Honey Bear, and the fifth soldier looking their best too. I've been joined here. Sarah Purcell gave up her seat moments ago, and joining me in here now. Can we get a shot in here? Dick Schneider is young Ricky Schroeder. Did you have fun in the parade today?
Oh yeah, I loved it. I had a great time.
You had a good time, huh?
My feet and my fingers were numb, but the rest was great.
Oh, wonderful. Why don't you sit here with me now for a while? We can enjoy the parade. Okay?
This year, Woody Woodpecker is not audible like the only new balloon in the parade.
Well, and you know,
Now, Balloon may not be able to laugh. We have a new one called Woody Woodpecker. And I think if he could laugh, everyone would know what he's saying.
well, you know.
He's furnished by Walter Lantz Productions. Wow, it's really something to look at him this close. There's so much bigger than you imagine. You know? Like, look at him.
What am I supposed to say? Who was it that said you never play a scene with a little kid, huh?
And a dog.
And a dog, right? Who said that?
I don't know. Was it Jackie Cooper?
It could have been. You never can tell. You're doing it so well. Why don't you go ahead and do the...
In 1983, the person who made Woody Woodpecker, Walter Lantz, was in a car in front of Woody Woodpecker.
Is, of course, their wonderful creation, Woody Woodpecker, having perhaps almost as good a time as they are. Hello, Walter. This is only the second year in the parade for Woody, but he's already proving to be one of the favorites among the many wonderful balloon characters that have become famous here on Thanksgiving morning. Woody, as Sarah told you a little bit earlier, 75 feet long. He's got a wingspan 45 feet, furnished, of course, by Walter Lantz Productions. Lobster is John Bauman. Now, some of you may not know him by that name, but you do, I'm sure, recognize.
His next appearance was in 1984.
Complete with one of the world's more famous laughs, Woody Woodpecker has made his way down to Herald Square. Has the distinction of being the widest balloon in the parade at 45 feet wide. If you've never met Walter and Gracie Lantz, you are missing something. Walter does the drawing. Gracie provides the laugh.
His next appearance was in 1985.
We're talking about Woody Woodpecker, and here he is brought to life as a magnificent balloon. What a great sight he is. Furnished by Walter Lance Productions, Woody has been bringing his special brand of laughter and fun to the world ever since 1941. I can't do that. Also, for those of you who keep track of these sorts of things, Woody is listed as the lightest balloon in the parade and the least popular of trees, by the way. Of course, for all the rest of us, Woody continues as one of the most popular cartoon characters. That's a big woodpecker. Just ahead, the world famous Radio City Music Hall Rockettes and rival of the North Pole's most important citizen, Santa Claus.
In 1986, Woody Woodpecker's head almost came off.
Well, as everyone knows, stars in the field of entertainment can sometimes be very demanding, except for parade show hosts who are all charming and lovable. Many of them want a fancy introduction when they make their first entrance, maybe a blast of trumpets or thunderous applause. But for this ever-popular fellow, laughter is all he needs, and what a trademark it's been for him. Everyone, Phyllis Dillon. Anyway, no, it's Woody Woodpecker, and he's one balloon you'll never see crying, even on the rainiest day, and luckily we do not have one of those. This morning, he's been furnished by Universal City Studios, and he's here to prove that even though his birthday goes back to 1941, he's feeling just as spry and full of fun as ever. Members of the Cardinal March.
His next appearance was in 1987.
Hey, Gavin's best gang, that's dynamite. That's fabulous acting. Here is a favorite, Woody Woodpecker. Some of us older kids, and you know who you are. You grew up with this cartoon character. He got the first laugh on us. That's going to make you feel old. 47 years ago. Happy birthday to Easy. What you do? Oh, hold it. Knock it off. This guy's a laugh a minute. Anyhow, Universal City Studios furnished him to us, and all the younger kids can grow up with him and know him and love him like we all did. You knock it off. Woody. Somebody get that bird. Woody is 75 feet tall. He's got his own flock of 40 balloon handlers dressed in Woody lookalike costumes to keep in line. Get out of here. Hey, kids.
Unfortunately, guys, that will be it for part 1 of about Woody Woodpecker. Sorry for making this video like a 10-minute video or something. I'm really sorry. I cannot continue anymore, but maybe there'll be a part 2 sometime in the future. Maybe at 3 or 12. I don't know. So make sure to subscribe for a part 2 episode.